Hey everybody. Okay, so another modeling video here for you guys. I just got something that I ordered a while back, and it took a while to get here because it's, as you can see, it's from the United Kingdom. And let me see what it is. I gotta be careful not to cut too far deep. Okay. Alright, so what could this possibly be here? Okay. First up, I have a landing pad for a sci-fi ship. In this case, it is a Viper or something similar size, and this looks pretty cool. Let me open this up here. These are really neat landing pads I found out about. Look how thick they are. Some foam board, and this is to display your model. Put your model on top of it and display in your cabinet or on your shelf. And this is my Space 1999 landing pad. And this is for my 1/72 scale, my 12-inch scale, 12-inch scale Eagle. This one's not quite finished yet, but look at that. Look at that. That is totally just awesome. Now, of course, this brings up a problem for me because where the heck am I going to display this? So what I might end up doing is putting this on something and maybe displaying it on a wall, because this unfortunately is too big for my display cabinet. This is, take a tape measure here. This is 18 inches long. So my display cabinet can only really handle 16 inches max. So unfortunately this is too big, and I'm not going to cut this. This is totally badass. Look at that. So I'm going to have to make some sort of launch pad or something, base for this. Base for the base, right? I previously got this wooden round thing at a Lowe's. This is a wood base, and this looks like it would fit pretty well. Maybe if I get the smaller one. They do have a smaller one of this, and maybe if I put this on top like this and then finish off the edge, color it, and maybe put some styrene, make it look like an official landing pad, this would really look totally awesome. I mean, I would love to go all full out and get build the what would you call that, the people mover thing they had, and then the thing that goes out and connects to the pod. My brain's not working right now, so I can't remember what that was called from the show Space 1999. But anyway, this is nice. It is smooth, thick foam, and this is from, I should probably tell you where it's from. I should probably tell you where it's from before I end the video. This is from coastalkits.co.uk. They have a whole bunch of different types of landing pads, display pads. They have, I obviously went for the sci-fi ships, but they also have ones for airplanes and different scales. So like a runway or a pad that will look like something inside of a hangar. I mean, check them out. I've only seen like one video on these, and I stumbled across these on the web, and I'm like, well, I got to try one of these, especially when I saw this. When I saw this, it was just a no-brainer. I just had to get this. So anyway, All right, guys. Until next time.